We consider moving to Snowflake. Would you have time for a quick demo? We are particularly interested in its compute scalability as we may need to run at some point a few heavy complex queries on big data. Why is Snowflake so interesting today, and what are some of the best practices we should be aware? Okay, so here it is. I had a lot of customers, and the relationship with them started in a very similar manner. First time they ask you for a quick demo, for a consultation, and then you get more work to be done. So let's follow this pattern here, and let's start by reviewing right now the client request just to make sure that we understand what we were asked for and what's the impact. So once again, the keyword here is a quick demo. They consider moving to Snowflake. So we have to give them the specific arguments. They are interested particularly in the compute scalability. Yeah, definitely, because they have in mind some complex analytics in the future on big data. So in this quick demo, we have to focus on the compute side. Compute side, this means virtual warehouses. And scalability, this means on big data. Scalability, this means that we may need to quickly experiment and show them how large virtual warehouses work. At the end, yeah, definitely they ask for some best practices. I'll always start for a new client with a free trial account, free Snowflake trial account, so you don't consume your credits, and they get also familiar with Snowflake by experimenting on a free account, so they don't waste any money, they don't spend anything. So I'll do this with you just to make sure that you follow all the required steps. We'll have a look at Snowsites, which is a new Snowflake's web UI. We'll have a quick look at the overall architecture, which is structured on three different layers: services, compute, and storage. In particular, we'll focus on the compute level because this is what we've been asked for, and we'll have a quick look at the virtual warehouses, how they should be configured. Now, for the quick demo, as I said before, we'll have to impress them with something and sending the right message also that Snowflake is really scalable. And we can do this by running a query, let's say for 4 or 5 minutes, with a very large warehouse on really big data. So we'll do this here. We'll use 128 nodes virtual warehouse to execute a query. In another experiment, we'll create an even larger multi-cluster warehouse with almost 200 nodes. And in this case, we'll run no query. We'll just start the warehouse for about 10 seconds. And for both these experiments, we'll let the customer know, and we'll let you know also how we can estimate the cost. Yeah, we'll have a look at the Snowflake editions and pricing. So some pointers why some edition may cost you more, and what you should pay attention at. Okay, and we'll end up definitely with some of the best practices for compute and storage. Even if a customer doesn't ask you this, it's good from the beginning to pass this message to them. It's good to understand them yourself, and then, yeah, definitely it's good to get your customer know about this.